Okay.
This is how to set up your 4 color schemes project. This is a project which is basically a pattern divided into 4 sections. We will be doing a different color scheme in each section. The posters with the examples for each color scheme will be up on the board, and I will go through them with you in class one at a time. Basically, we need a pattern with small enough shapes that you can get a lot of variety of color within each section. Here's how to do that. Again, you're going to start with a plain white piece of paper, and this is going to seem kind of random at first. You are just going to take your ruler and you're going to draw a whole bunch of random crisscrossing, overlapping lines throughout the whole entire thing. They don't have to go all the way across. They can go part of the way. But really concentrate to make sure you're getting lines throughout the whole entire paper. You'll see that it's starting to divide your paper up into smaller shapes. That's what you want. Also, during this time, you can make a bunch of overlapping circles. So again, put the pencil in the compass, and again, review on making circles. Don't try to hold it from the top and spin it around. It's not going to work. Instead, hold your compass the way you would hold a pencil. Press that point down, and then hold your hand still and move your paper instead. Okay. You're going to continue with this process until you have your whole page filled. And it's going to look like this. It's going to look kind of messy and random at first, but here's what you will do. You're going to take this, fold it into 4 sections. Fold it after you draw all of your lines. Now you're going to look at each section individually. You're looking for shapes that are super tiny. If you've got any shapes that are really, really small, like this, smaller than a penny, you're going to erase one of those lines to make it a bigger shape. If you have any shapes like this that are bigger than about 2 inches, you are just going to draw a line to divide that down so you have 2 smaller shapes. Go through and refine each section, looking for any shapes that are really big or really small, until you have a refined portion that looks like this. Once you've done your own refining, then you bring this up to your teacher, and I will check it for you, and I might put a check mark in any of your shapes that need to be divided down more. I will also let you kind of decide for yourself if there are shapes that are too small where you need to erase one of the lines to open it up a little bit. Once you're finished with that, make sure you get your name on the back, and then you can start painting with your monochromatic color scheme. And you will get the instructions for how to do that in class, and the poster with all the examples will be on the board. That is how to start your 4 color scheme.